Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Acura MDX SH all-wheel drive. This one's a lunar silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 290 horsepower. Four wheels have got 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Gray leather interior, sunroof, wood trim, rear climate controls, MDX SH all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down third-row seats, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, heated seats. This Acura has 31,571 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura MDX SH all-wheel drive, check out feldmannimports.com.